where it changes is when you knit a row and then purl a row. So let's have a go at that. Let's have a go at knit and purl. Okay, so where it changes is when we change styles and we mix up the stitches together. So let's have a look at stocking stitch. So this was just our purl, 4 rows of purl. Now let's have a look at stocking stitch. Let's knit a row. Okay, you can see how that has changed the look of that stitch there. Can you see that? Now let's turn it around to what will now be classed as the purl side or the wrung side with those bumps. Needle in towards the front again. Let's purl a row of stitches there. Okay. Okay, that's a row of purl. On the back, it doesn't really look any different to when we just purled. But now, can you see, that's just purl, this is stocking stitch. We've done 2 rows, 1, 2. Let's do another row of knitting and we'll see how that changes it again. Remember, with knitting we're putting our needle in towards the back of the stitch. It's going in, pinching, but our needle we're knitting onto is at the back. The needle with the stitches on is at the front. All round and knit. Okay, that is now 3 rows. We're going to turn it around. This is the right side. We're going to turn it to the wrong side. Remember, this is the purl row, so the wool will go to the front rather than the back. Needle comes in from the back towards the front through that front loop. Move not through that loop. Okay. Purl, purl, purl. Okay. There we go, another 10 stitches. Now, if you look at this here, this is the back. These stitches here are when it was just purl, there, just purl, whereas these ones here are the stocking stitch. Can you see that? There's a difference, isn't there? There's like a gap in there where we were doing the opposite stitch on the other side, so it gave the illusion of a knit stitch on that side, whereas now it's just pure purl on that side. This is classed as the wrong side, and if we turn it around, this is where you can really see the difference. these are the purl bumps, and we did it before, and this now is the right side, and you can see just knit on this one side, and that is what we class as stocking stitch, where you can just see that knit on this side and just purl on the other side.